Should be live. So today, something a little bit different. There is a bit of software called GLPI. I think it's a ITSM is the official sort of abbreviation for it. It's basically a help desk and inventory piece of software. It looks pretty good, open source, and it will probably suit the needs I have at work. So I'm going to see about installing it. So I've got my little my Ansible machine here, which you guys should hopefully be able to see. Still haven't quite worked out the zoom, so sorry if it's a bit hard for everyone to see. And we are going to not install it on my Ansible machine. I have, which you guys should also be able to see. Give me a second. There we go. So you should be able to see that. This is my Ubuntu 2004 LTS. I think it's the right one. There you go, up the top there. 2004. So this had internet connectivity a few seconds ago. There we go. Slightly worried. So I'm going to install it onto that. So let me just change back over here. And like that. So basically, we're going to, here we go, install on Debian. So these instructions are a little bit old from what I can see. It's French software, so we are going to go through it as best we can and see how we go. Woody, Debian Woody. I have a sneaking suspicion that this was releases Woody. Ooh. So 10-year-old instructions. So hopefully they pan out all right. Let's go back here. All right. So no, we don't have a Debian Woody. We have Ubuntu and a significantly newer version. First, install Apache web server. It's tested to install PHP from module pad. All right, cool. apt-get install Apache PHP 4. PHP version. Let's see what we're up to. This seems to indicate version 7. 8. All right. So let's change across here. This is getting tedious. I need to sort these out. Apt get install PHP. Permission denied. Sudo apt-get install PHP. Password in here. Alright, I'm just gonna do blank. Follow Apache. Looks like it's going to install PHP 7. Fine. That's what's shipping with Ubuntu. I guess that's probably the easiest to deal with. So while it does that, let me change across and bring you guys with me. Don't need that one. Close that down. Close that down. We'll get the forums. This is not me. English support. Alrighty. Apt-get install Apache. This will warn you. Install. Yes, no problem. Uses MySQL database for the backend, so it's necessary. Now, I'm fairly confident that we can change that to MariaDB. Apt-get install MySQL. So let's see. And PHP4 MySQL. Can we just go like this? And MySQL. PHP MariaDB. What do we get that way? PHP 7 MariaDB. Maybe install Ubuntu, install MariaDB. Look at that. Perfect. 2004. Okay. This sounds good. Just Maria's DB server. Oh, so it's kind of what we expect. All right. Apt-get. What was the command again? Maria server, something to that effect. MariaDB server. MariaDB server. Apt-get. Install. Yeah, permission denied again. Need that old sudo apt-get install MariaDB. Perfect. Now, I am a complete and utter novice when it comes to Linux, so just gonna sort of take some guesses and see how we go. Might end up having to go to the French translations. Okay, so all right, this is saying we need a password. I probably should write you guys across instead of a. Let's just bring you across now. There we go. I don't know if you can see if that's all fuzzy or not. Looking here. First, we create a password for the root user of the SQL MySQL database. So MySQL admin that. DuckDuckGo.com, is it? DuckDuckGo. What is going on now? Google.com. Restart required. What the? Oh. Joy. Okay. That was a bad time. Fine. Guess we've got nothing else to do. Restart app. In the meantime, let's go check on our. Yep. You guys can't see, but looks like our install of MariaDB is finished. Putting it back over to Mint. let me know how you find the swapping back and forth between the screens. I really do want to see if, how I can get the viewing area larger for you guys. Running into a little bit of trouble with the scaling using virtual machines, but there's probably some way around it. Probably something simple I just haven't looked at. All right, back. Let's try again. Irritating. Everyone always gives Windows shit for its updates. Just goes to show it doesn't matter. Updates are updates, and sometimes, regardless of your operating system of choice, they come at inconvenient times. Alright, Yahoo is annoying me. Preferences, search, go on DuckDuckGo. Okay, let's get back to where we were. Okay. MySQL admin. Alright, so MySQL admin root password. Alright, so MariaDB set admin password. Here we go. First thing, set the password. How does that compare to our command here? Set root password. Alright, maybe we go MariaDB set root password command line. I don't want to reset it, but we'll see what we got. Okay. Okay, maybe the command is the same. I mean, I know it's a fork, or MariaDB, sorry, I should say, it's a fork of MySQL. Alright, let's give it a stab. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this to a different screen. Give you that there so I can see what's going on. There we go. Alright, so MySQL admin root password, and I'm guessing here is where we put our password, and we're going to make it nice and terrible and go the password as password, and sudo. Always remember that sudo. I don't know if it worked or not. Didn't throw an error. Guess it worked. Now I'm going to create a database. So MySQL. Oops. Don't forget the sudo. MySQL. root p. Good question. I reckon this is our password, which we set as password. Okay, welcome. Okay, it looks like we got in. So, okay, create database GLPI DB semicolon. Great, that looks like it worked. I can see that's working there. Now, following the manual here, we are going to create a user with a password and give this the rights. All right. Grant all privileges. Is there a tab complete? No, there is not. GLPI DB. I'm guessing this means all the subtables. GLPI user at local host. Grant all privileges on GLPI DB stop star to GLPI user. I'm guessing this is our user here at localhost. Okay. Don't identified by GLPI user password semicolon. Do you reckon this is our password? I reckon that's our password there. Let's see. Okay. Our GLPI user has a stronger password than our admin. All right. Okay, if you want administrative device from the... Oh dear. Come back. If you want administrative from your database from an easy-to-use front end, you can install PHP My Admin. All right, what we're going to do here, bring you back over. So now it's talking about installing PHP My Admin. What we're going to do is we are going to go sudo apt get install PHP My Admin. Did I get the name right? PHP My Admin. So we're going to install that on my Ansible Linux Mint machine, and we will admin our GLPI machine from our Mint machine. So trying to replicate, I guess, what you see in the real world. Please choose a web server that should be automatically configured to run PHP. Apache is as good as any to me. I know there's like, you know, Nginx and other things like that, but we'll go with the defaults. I'm already sort of hacking around, and then there's definitely a chance that I've wrecked the installation process by using Maria instead of MySQL, but we'll see how we go. All right, while it's installing, download and install. Now you have to download the latest version. Debian has its own Debian package for available via app. However, this is currently several versions behind the latest release. Okay. So, open new tab. So now we need to go get the software. But our Ubuntu is running in terminal mode, so no way to download it that way. However, what we're going to do is go to, I think it's called wget. Ubuntu wget, webget I think it's called. How do you use Google? All right, great. So we're basically just Googling things at this point in time. There we go, wget blah 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 blah. ISO. Well, that looks super simple. How do you download a single file? Wget blah. Well, that sounds super swell. So I am going to drag you across. I'll switch you guys over to that. And So now we're in our DB still. So can I go exit? Yes. LS. CD / users ls. Oh man, I can't read that. CD, is it tilde takes me to user home? Okay, mkdir downloads ls. Alright, that is that blue on black. I cannot see it for life of me. So we should just go to CD downloads. Alright, perfect. So now what we're going to do is go back over here. I really wish I could copy and paste. Copy link. I doubt I can go wget. Yep, okay, can't paste it. Didn't think so. That would be a bit handy, but we're going to try HTTP. Oh, it's got an S. All right. GitHub.com/GLPI project/GLPI. There's bound to be other ways to do this releases, but as I said, I'm very much a beginner Linux user. I've only dipped my toes in a couple of times over the years and never very far, so I know a little bit here and there, but TGZ. Alright. Ooh. Okay. It's doing something. Ooh. Okay, connected. I think it's downloading. So what I should be able to do now is I'm in my downloads directory, so I'm hoping that's where it's downloading, because that's where I execute the command from. So if I go ls, hey, it's there. That's swell. All right, let's go back to our documentation over here. Then you have to unzip the tarbell to the var directory. So can I go to, I learned a command. Let's see if is it push D, then I can go var/www, and then I can go pop, what is it? Oh, I got too cocky now. There's, I saw this really cool level 1 text video now talking about push D and pop D. Can I have pop D? Does that? Yeah, look, it changed me back, and then I'm going to go pop D again. Yeah, the stack is empty, so so close. Anyway, so we know we have our var www. So, and we're in this directory here. So tar, I'm just reading off these commands here. X V, that's not a V, that's a V there. ZF. GLPI blah, C, and goes to var wwws. So tar, some command line arguments pointed at the tar file, tgz. And C, let's see if this works. The command I'm looking here on their site, let me just show you guys. If you can see that here, it's a little bit different. So it's tar.gz, and then when we go over here, we can see that it's actually tgz, so different file extension. So I'm not sure this command's going to work. I can't read it all, but I am seeing a permission denied thing in there. So, sudo. Yeah, cannot open no such directory. Cannot make it. All right, so sudo. That looks better. Ooh, look at it go. Hacker man. Change directory. Okay, so we'll let that finish. Whee! Okay, kind of looks cool, but oh, we're finished. Okay, so now we change directory. So cd2 var slash www/glpi. Yeah, I can tab complete, which means it's there. Whee! Now we have to give rights to some folders. I'm going to go sudo, but I'm going to forget this time. Sudo cmod 7 backup / dump GLPI / config docs. Make sure I got that right. Backup dump GLPI config and docs. Any more I'm missing? Okay, let's see what happens. Cannot access backups that no such file, no such file, no such file. If I do ls, am I asking for trouble? Okay. Oh my god. That text is awful. There's a readme there. Do I have Nano installed? Nano readme. Alrighty, look at this. There you go. GLPI stands for Gestionnaire Libre de Parc Informatique. I'm really sorry. It's French. I tried my best. Yep, you can see all this lifecycle management. This all sounds perfect. Licenses, some screenshots. Page down. Can I just do a page down? Prerequisites. Oh, look at that. Apache, Nginx, IIS. Oh. Wow. IIS? PHP, great. Does support MariaDB. Mandatory PHP extensions, okay. Recommended PHP extension, enable optional features. I have no idea how to install them. Supported browsers, Edge, Firefox, including, yep, Chrome. Please consider using browsers on edited supported version. Download, oh, there's an RPM. Oh, what? Whoa. Whoa. What's this, people? What is, wait, why is this here? Alright, I'm just going to type it out in my other tab, then I'll bring you guys across. Let's have a look at this. Read the docs.org/project. Wait, where am I? Lost project/GLPI. Install. Looks like it's resolving. Alright, let's bring you guys across now. Last built 6 months ago. Okay, that seems recent. Latest? Is this the latest version of the documentation? Wait up. This is their wiki project. And this is this one. What? Oh, don't tell me I've been doing it hard. Prerequisites. Okay. I get all that. Okay, so these are prerequisites. This is not going to tell me how to oh, wait up. Uncompress. Okay. Alright. This is cool and all, but kind of seems like it's missing a few baby steps. Like, these are cool. The following PO2s, you know, mandatory, but you're not going to give me instructions on how to install that? That seems a little bit rude. Very most stable version of PH. Yes, great. Requires, yep, and it takes you to their website, but doesn't actually go, here's how you install these things. Choose the version, doesn't install. So I don't know if we'll be. See, this is uncompressed, great, but you know, when we go back to this guide here, it does give us the okay, so it looks like we're finished installing. Well, HTTP your server GLPI. Let's try HTTP. I don't know if it's going to work. We may end up just blowing the server away and trying again. GLPI, which is the name of the server, /GLPI. I don't even know if it's going to resolve. Ooh. That did resolve. Ubuntu server at GLPI port 80. Oh. Come back. Wait. Hey, that kind of worked. There's some, don't get me wrong, there's definitely some issues. It's not fully working, but it actually resolved that. Because I'm running Linux Mint, and this machine's called Ansible, and we have our server. Okay. So the question is this what's causing our issues? Or do we have other issues? Follow steps. So Once install is complete, you present with a GLO completed. Okay. Now, oh man, documentation, not good. Launch installation wizard. GLPI. See, we're missing this, so something hasn't gone quite right. Use command line source script. Let's see. Oh look, here we go. There is a checker. All right, so let's bring you guys across. Let's see if this even remotely works. Okay. Using the GLPI system, check requirements. Press X for doubt. Command not found. I did not think so. Before installing or upgrading, requirements automatically, but you can run them separately and see for all of them using the. Okay, so there's a command. GL compile. PI system check. Yeah, it is underscore. Just require. Oh, check require. That's. Yeah, didn't think that would work. All right. The PHP bin console db install has been made to install these instructions are missing a few steps, but it's all right. You know, as I said, we may end up just blowing this way. I may even just load up, like, say, Ubuntu desktop, just get that little graphical user interface. May help. You know, just gives you kind of training wheels. It is what it is. To be honest, I'm kind of just happy that I got wget working. Yeah, I know it's a simple just type wget and the file and name, practically copy and pasting, but having not done it before, something new. All right, let's try this. PHP bin console db install. This installs the database. Okay. Oh, I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, that's probably what we got. Ooh. Missing some mandatory system requirements are missing. PHP. Oh, look at that. Okay, so that command we're running before, if we put PHP could not open, does that mean it doesn't exist or I need permission? Sudo could not open file. Well, that sucks. So this is going back to alright, here we go. Run PHP bin console GLPI system check require I before E except after C. Let's try that. Oh. Okay, so this documentation sucks. Man, I want to see if I can edit it. Just gonna bring you guys back across. Oops. Starting to really wish I had triple monitors now. Okay, so this does not work, but this does. So, how do we edit on GitHub? Haha. Okay, I'm going to sign in, so I'm just going to flip you guys back over to that while I muck around. Oh, it's going to be tedious, I think. You know what? We're going to pause there tonight. I know it's a bit of a weird dream, we haven't actually completed it, but for myself, it's getting late. Some small wins. It's nice. It does seem to be mostly there. Okay, we're missing a few requirements, which it does say in the documentation. To be fair, you know, you can see it on screen here. Just go across here. Look at big red error. My SQLi extension is missing. MB string extension is missing. Curl extension is great. So this is actually good. These errors are very self-explanatory. Great, so all we have to do is fix them up and then we should be good. So what I'm going to do is end the stream, I'm going to sign into GitHub, I'm going to make that change to change that command to be PHP console, whatever it happens to be. Actually, here we go. PHP bin console. You know, it may not seem like not much, but for a complete beginner, which I am, that is massive. It's only by, you know, literally reading the big old red text up here where it says it, you go, oh, okay. So there's, you know, that's a trap for new players. If you don't know, you don't know. And I don't know, and it's only because, you know, I read the error message and the error message happened to be self-explanatory of run this command that it, you know, we're getting this far. So update the documentation, and the next poor soul, probably me on my next time around, will have some clearer documentation about, you know, what they're supposed to do. But anyway, I think that's where we'll end it tonight. I'm actually super stoked with how far we got. Yeah, so I'm hoping, fingers crossed, tomorrow night we can pick up where we left off. And yeah, maybe in a night or two we'll have it up and running. Maybe not. Maybe, we, as I said, we might blow it away and start again. But yeah, this has been a bit of fun. So GLPI, well, I haven't got through the installer just yet, or I guess we haven't even installed it, but still, hey, it's been all learning. Take it all easy, and I'll see you guys next time.